Hi Ryan, Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. To my right, the vehicle you inquired about, this is our 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450. This is a vehicle finished in polar white, is an AMG line model, so sport styling in the front bumper, fenders, and rear bumper. Night package model includes black trim here in our grille, our front bumper, our front lip there, and along the side of the vehicle. This model does have the staggered 21-inch multi-spoke wheels, black accents in the wheel spoke, also part of the night package, mirror housings, window frames done in black, and then satin black roof rails. Night package is a very cool contrast to the polar white. I think it gives it a really cool sport styling. Around the rear, we've got wraparound LED taillights, GLE 450, which is our 6-cylinder EQ boost engine. 4MATIC is our all-wheel drive system. Rear spoiler, I think, goes really nicely with the AMG line, just to add a little sporty look to it. Chrome load sill guard. Night package includes black trim along the bottom. We've got our dual tipped exhaust. It's a beautiful vehicle. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Inside the GLE 450, we can take a closer look at the inside. Beautiful black upholstery. We've got a nice stitch there in the seats and across the center console. Metal weave trim is actually a metal fiber that's woven together to create this almost kind of carbon effect look across, but if you look really closely, you can see each individual stitch. It's pretty cool. Moving to the doors, we have our power seats for the driver and passenger, heated and ventilated seats, and the upgraded Burmeister surround sound system. Two 12-inch displays for a digital instrument cluster. Here is for our navigation, phone, radio. It's a really nice touchscreen. We have a heated steering wheel, automatic lights, automatic wipers. This is a driver's assistance package model, so our adaptive cruise control, lane and steering assist also included. We've got our touchscreen controls down here as well, dual zone climate, and up top a panoramic roof. So two big pieces of glass really open up the cabin. It's a beautiful vehicle available here for sale. I wanted to just put together a quick video tour for you. If you have any questions, 207-210-4796 is my cell phone number. You can call me or text me anytime. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.